Question number 8. The population P in millions of a country is given by P equal to A times B to the power of T, where T is the number of years after January 2000 and A and B are constants. Okay. In January 2010, the population was 40 million and had increased to 49 million in January 2013. Show that B equal to 1.04 to two decimal places and find A to the nearest integer. Okay, so let's analyze the question. So this is the starting point, right? And at 2010 means after 10 years, it's 40 million, and after 13 years, it's 45 million. So I'm going to make two equations. Okay, so we don't know A, right? So that's what we have to find. We have to find A and B. Okay. So A times B to the power of 10 to 2000 to 2010, it's 10 years, is equal to 40 million. This is the first equation. And what is the second equation? A times B to the power of 13, because from 2000 to 2013, it's 13 years, equal to 45 million. It's the second equation. So I'm going to put them together, all right? So I'm going to put them together. So basically, I'm going to divide them. Is it okay? I'm going to divide them. Whenever the equations are in a plus or minus form, we just add or subtract them. Yeah. But whenever the equations are in the times form, yeah, we have to divide them. All right. So I'm going to divide it. So you can see that the A and A gets cancelled, right? So for this, I'm going to use B to the power of negative 3. I'm using the exponential laws here. 10 minus 13 is negative 3 is equal to 40 over 45. Is it okay? So I will just swap this. So this gives me, I'm just going to swap this. So I'm going to write this as 45 over 40, which is 9 over 8. And when you check B equal to cube root of 9 over 8, the answer is 1.0400 and so on. So which means I already got the value of B, right? According to the question. Now I'm going to find the value of A. Since I have the value of B, I'm going to substitute that B into one of these equations. Yeah. So A times, I would prefer to take the answer because we are using the calculator. So the answer to the power of 10 is equal to 40. What is that answer? Make sure you don't change your calculator. You have to bring that there. Is it okay? You have to bring that there, basically. Okay. So A equal to 40 over the answer to the power of 10. Yeah. So which gives me A equal to 27 point. Let me check one more time. 40 divided by, okay, so the answer is 27.022 something. Yeah, but again, look at the question requirements, the accuracy. So nearest integer, so the A is going to be, I'm going to estimate to nearest integer, which is 27. Okay, so this is the second answer for this question. Okay, so again, I'm using different colors here, but in the exam you cannot use different colors. You have to just underline or highlight with the same pen. Okay, and make sure you write your final answers at the end. All right, so now B, find the population in January 2020, giving your answer to the nearest million. Okay, so we know that P equal to, we got the answer 27 million, right? A is 27, right? times 1 point B is 1.04. It's 2020, which means from 2000 to 2020, it is 20 years, right? So P equal to 59.185. I'm going to estimate to 59 million because he said the nearest million, so it's going to be 59 million. Then C, in January of which year will the population be over 1000 million for the first time? Okay, so again 27, A was 27 times 1.04 to the power of t must be greater than 1000. So so I'm going to calculate this. 1.04 to the power of t is equal to, I'm going to just use as equal to for now, 100 divided by 27. I'm going to use log here or ln, up to you. So t equal to log 1.04 and to the base 1.04, 100 over 27. Or you can actually also use log on both sides, which is completely okay. Then you will get answer as t equal to 33.28, which is because if you take, see, estimation is always tricky. If you take 33, we are basically not reaching 100 million. He said over 100 million. So we must estimate to 34 years. So the final answer is 34 years. Oh, and he's asking in which year? Okay, so it should be 2000 plus 34, so it should be 2034. So this is our final answer. Okay, then see you in the next video.